हेलो बच्चों, કેમ છો? મજામાં? જય શ્રી कृष्णा। सो आज के लेक्चर में हम पहले लेंस फॉर्मूले की हेल्प से 2-3 सम्स देखेंगे। देन आफ्टर लेटरल मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ लेंस एंड द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लेंस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमने लेंस का फॉर्मूला 1/v माइनस 1/u इज इक्वल टू 1/f, ये हमने प्रूफ किया था लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूले में। अभी इसके रिलेटेड हम 2-3 सम्स देखेंगे। पहला सम्स, कंसीडर अ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस विथ फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस is 20 centimeter. Find the position and nature of image. आपके ऑप्शन है 40 सेंटीमीटर रियल, सेकंड 20 सेंटीमीटर रियल, थर्ड 40 सेंटीमीटर वर्चुअल एंड फोर्थ 20 सेंटीमीटर वर्चुअल। अभी हमें साइन कन्वेक्शन का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा। तो आपको याद रखना है द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंसिडेंस रेस इज ऑलवेज टेक एज ए पॉजिटिव। द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंसिडेंट रे इज टेक एज ए पॉजिटिव। सो हियर इन गिवन डेटा u is equal to minus 20 सेंटीमीटर, फोकल लेंथ इज प्लस 10 सेंटीमीटर। आपको याद रखना है कॉन्वेक्स फोकल लेंथ इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव एंड कॉनकेव द फोकल लेंथ टेक एज ए नेगेटिव। कंप्लीट। सो लेंस फॉर्मूला 1/v माइनस 1/u इज इक्वल टू 1/f। मेक द सब्जेक्ट v 1/f plus 1/u. LCM here u plus f upon fu. So v is equal to fu upon u plus f. आपको ये फॉर्मूला याद रखना है। आपको याद होगा मिरर में हमने याद रखा था v is equal to fu u minus f, here u plus f, तो गलती ना हो जाए। चलिए वैल्यू पुट करते हैं। v एफ यू एफ प्लस 20 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 20, ईयर u माइनस 20 प्लस 10, ईयर माइनस 200 माइनस 10, माइनस से माइनस कट, सो प्लस 20 सेंटीमीटर। सो इमेज बनेगी इस साइड, दिस डायरेक्शन इज पॉजिटिव। Here image also 20 centimeter. Here rays actually meet this rays and this. So nature of image is real. तो आपका ऑप्शन होगा 20 सेंटीमीटर रियल। कंप्लीट। नेक्स्ट, आपको दिया गया है एक कॉनकेव लेंस, उसकी फोकल लेंथ है 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर। 5 सेंटीमीटर। देन फाइंड पोजीशन and nature of image। आपके ऑप्शन है 3.33 सेंटीमीटर रियल, सेकंड 6.66 सेंटीमीटर रियल, थर्ड 3.33 सेंटीमीटर वर्चुअल एंड फोर्थ 6.66 सेंटीमीटर वर्चुअल। सो first given data, here u is equal to minus 5 centimeter. Focal length for concave is negative 10 centimeter. Find the image. So length formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. 1 upon v, 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. Use the sign convention and put the value. 1 upon f minus 10 plus 1 upon minus 5. Here we take the LCM. Here this sign can be used as minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. So LCM is 50. Here minus 5 minus 10, so is equal to minus 50 divided by 50. So v is equal to minus 50 upon 15. Here 10 5s and 3 5s. So minus 10 divided by 3, so is equal to 3.33 centimeter. Minus, it means image formed here 3.33 centimeter, and that is virtual. So 3.33 centimeter is virtual. Complete. Next sum. Next, third, the rays converging at a point P. Now a lens is kept in the path of convergent beam at a distance 12 centimeter from P. Now at a what point the converge the rays of light? If first the convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter, second the concave lens with focal length 16 centimeter. Complete. So here we find the image. What is the question? Rays are converging at a point P. Now a lens is kept at a distance 12 centimeter from the P. So now at a what distance the rays are converging? There are two lenses can be used. First, convex lens as a focal length 20 centimeter and concave lens with focal length 60 centimeter. Here we give the solution. First, rays are converging at a point P. Here we kept the lens at a distance 12 centimeter. Now given data, u is equal to minus 12 centimeter, focal length plus 20 centimeter, image 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. Put the value 1 upon 20 plus minus 12. So we take the LCM 60. Here LCM is 60. Here is 3 minus 5. So 5 minus here is 1 upon u in this direction plus from here the incidence rays is in this direction, so we take the distance positive here, so 3 plus 5 8 divided by 60, so v is equal to 60 by 8, the answer is 7.5 centimeter plus, so rays are converging at a distance 7.5 centimeter. Complete. Now for concave, here P point, rays are converging, concave, complete. That is, now given data, u is equal to minus 12, focal length minus 16 centimeter, here distance again in the direction of incidence rays, so we take as a positive image. Here 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon f, put the value 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 16, LCM is 48, here 12 4 za, so here is 4 minus 6 3 za, so 1 upon v is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 upon 48, so v is equal to 48 centimeter, that is also positive, so rays are converging at a distance 48 centimeter, 48 सेंटीमीटर. कंप्लीट. एक सम्स मैं आपको होमवर्क में देना चाहूंगा. Now the homework sum is homework. The converging rays are meet at a point O. Now the length of focal length 20 centimeter is used at a distance 12 centimeter from the point O. Now at a which point the rays converging? If lens is used, one convex and second concave. आपको फोकल लेंथ सेम दी गई है, बस आपको इमेज डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, तो वो तो आपसे हो ही जाएगा फॉर्मूला का यूज करते. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द फोर्थ एग्जांपल ऑफ लेंस फॉर्मूला. नाउ वी लर्न द lateral magnification of lens. Here as we learn that lateral, linear and rectilinear magnification all are same. The equation or the definition of magnification is equal to height of image upon height of object. M is equal to HI upon HO. Now for mirror we learn M is equal to minus V upon U, and for lens we learn M is equal to plus V upon U. So first we derive the equation m is equal to plus v upon u for lengths. Complete. As a shown figure, consider a convex lens. Here is the object. The object distance is u. Here height of object, first ray is parallel to principal axis and passing through the principal focus, and another ray is passing through the center of optical center and meet at here. So A, B, B dash, A dash. Here angle theta, both are same. Height of object, height of image from the symmetry of the triangular, tan theta, HO upon U. Here tan theta, HI. Here image distance V. Use the sign convection, that is the incidence ray. So height of object positive, U take as a negative, height of image negative, and this distance is in the direction of incidence rays, so take as a positive. So lateral magnification HI upon HO is equal to V upon U. Complete. Now we learn the relation between image distance, focal length and lateral magnification for lens. First, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V, 1 upon F plus 1 upon U. LCM U plus F, FU. Cross multiplication, reciprocal of this, FU, U plus F, V upon U, F upon U plus F. Now put this value in this equation, so we get m is equal to F U plus F. Similar, we derive the relation in image distance, focal length and lateral magnification. So 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon F. Here 1 upon U, F minus V upon VF, V upon U, F minus V is equal to upon F. So put this value in this equation, so get m is equal to F minus V upon F. Complete. We derive same lateral magnification equation with the help of concave lens. It is for convex. Now we derive with the help of concave. As shown in figure, consider a concave lens. Here is the object, that is object distance U. First ray is parallel to principal axis, that it diverge, and another ray is passing through the principal optical center. Here they meet at focus. So here the image I dash, O dash, suppose desk dash, that is the image, height of object, height of image, image distance. Here we apply the symmetry rule of the triangular O dash O, here is C, and triangular I dash C or I C I dash, both are similar. So I dash upon OO dash upon CI upon OC. Put the value I dash, height of image, OO dash, height of object, CI, that is image distance, OC, that is object distance, U. Now use the sign convention. Height of image is up to the principal axis, so take as a positive. Height of object is also positive. Here V is, that is the incidence ray, so that is negative, and object distance is also negative, so negative negative cut. So magnification HI upon HO is equal to V upon U. Complete. So this is the lateral magnification of concave lens and convex lens. Complete. चलिए एक नया क्वेश्चन करते हैं. उसमें दो चीज़ फाइंड करनी है, एक बार मैं करूंगा और एक बार आपको फाइंड करके मुझे आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन, कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के देना है. द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द पोजीशन, नेचर एंड साइज ऑफ इमेज when the 2 centimeter long object kept in front of convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter and the object distance is 15 centimeter and second 5 centimeter. फोकल लेंथ 10 ले लेते हैं. 15 सेंटीमीटर वाला सम मैं करके दिखाऊंगा और 5 सेंटीमीटर सम आपको करके मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में उसका आंसर देना है. फर्स्ट, हियर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, द फोकल लेंथ इज 10 सेंटीमीटर, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस इज 2 सेंटीमीटर and kept at a 15 centimeter first. So let's we apply the lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. To find the image, I told you that remember the formula UF U plus F. So put the value. V is equal to U minus 15 centimeter, focal length 10, so for convex plus 10 centimeter, U minus 15 plus 10, so multiplication minus 150 upon minus 5, so V is equal to plus 30 centimeter. It means image is formed here. One ray is parallel to and passing through the here, passing through the principal focus, and the other rays passing through the optical center, and they meet each other, they form the image. Now size, here magnification V upon U, so M is equal to V plus 30, U minus 15, so M is equal to minus 2. Now M is equal to HI upon HO, so minus 2 is equal to HI, height of object plus 2 centimeter, so HI is equal to minus 4 centimeter. Complete. Nature plus it means real, invert, and the size is enlarged. कंप्लीट. 5 सेंटीमीटर वाला आंसर मुझे आपको गिन के कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर देना है. नेक्स्ट सम. द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 12 सेंटीमीटर. Find the object distance from the lens of image formed it. First, virtual and 3 times size of the ऑब्जेक्ट. कंप्लीट. सो हमें दिया गया है वर्चुअल दैट मीन्स इरेक्ट. सो मैग्निफिकेशन इज +3. हियर इमेज साइज इज द 3 times of the object. So magnification is equal to hi upon ho, that means 3 plus 3 unit. So magnification is equal to v upon u is equal to 3. So v is equal to 3u. Now put the value in lens formula. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Here we want to find the object distance. So 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. 1 upon u as it is, 1 upon v, that is 3u, minus focal length, that is 12 centimeter, and for convex, that is +12. First, here we arrange the term. So 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 3u minus 1 upon u. 1 upon 12, here 3u, that is the LCM. So 1 minus 3 upon 3u, cross multiplication. 1 upon 12 is equal to minus 2 upon 3u. 3u is equal to minus 24. So u is equal to minus 8 सेंटीमीटर. कंप्लीट. ऐसे ही दूसरा सम भी हम कर सकते हैं. इसमें एडिट करके हम एक नया सम्स करते हैं. Here they give real. For real, magnification is negative. Here same, height of image is equal to 3 times height of object. So magnification is -3. M is equal to v upon u is equal to -3. V is equal to -3u. Now lens formula, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So 1 upon +12 is equal to 1 upon v minus 3u minus u. So 1 upon 12 is equal to 3u, that is the LCM, minus 1 here minus 3. So 1 upon 12 is equal to minus 4 upon 3u. 3u is equal to 48. So u is equal to minus 16 सेंटीमीटर. कंप्लीट. एक सम मैं आपको होमवर्क में दे रहा हूँ, आपको मुझे उसका आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में देना है. आपके लिए है द रियल एंड 1/3 टाइम्स साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. आपको थोड़ी सी हिंट दे देता हूँ. रियल मीन्स हियर नेगेटिव, h हाइट ऑफ इमेज इज इक्वल टू 1/3 हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. इसकी हेल्प से ही आपको गिनना है. ठीक है, पढ़ते रहिए, हंसते रहिए. जय श्री कृष्ण.